The general formula of monohaloalkanes is so the correct option is CnH2n plus 1X. When two carbon atoms are attached to the halogen bearing carbon, it is called. The correct answer is secondary alkyl halides. When one carbon atom is attached to the halogen bearing carbon, it is called. The correct answer is primary alkyl halides. When three carbon atoms are attached to the halogen bearing carbon, it is called. The correct answer is tertiary alkyl halides. 1-bromopropane is an example of which type of alkyl halides? The correct option is primary alkyl halides. The carbon is methyl chloride is. The correct option is sp3 hybridized. The bond angle in methyl chloride is. The correct answer is 109 degrees. The geometry of methyl chloride is. The correct option is tetrahedral. Alkyl halides with more than 18 carbon exist as. The correct option is colorless solids. Alkyl halides are. The correct option is insoluble in water. Compared to alkanes of comparable molecular weight, the alkyl halides have. The correct option is higher melting and boiling points. The reaction of alcohol with hydrogen chloride takes place in the presence of. The correct answer is anhydrous zinc chloride. Alcohol reacts with thionyl halide in the presence of which substance? The correct option is pyridine. The molecularity of SN1 reaction is. The correct option is 1. Which type of alkyl halides generally undergoes SN1 reaction? The correct option is tertiary alkyl halides. In SN1 reactions, the configuration is. The correct option is 50% inversion and 50% retention. The order of reaction of SN1 is. The correct answer is first order. SN1 reaction proceeds through how many steps? The correct option is 2 steps. SN1 reaction is favored in which type of solvent? The correct option is polar solvents. The rate of SN1 reaction depends upon. The correct option is concentration of substrate only.